you like the content to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll update our YouTube page on a daily basis with new inventory coming in. All our social media will be updated as well. Right now you're looking at a 2019 Honda Pilot EX model, all-wheel drive. It's a stolen and recovered vehicle. It was stolen somewhere in the United States and ended up in Canada and recovered. There's no damage to this vehicle. It's an unrecovered theft. No parts were taken off. Currently has a salvage title, but no repairs need to be done. It does start, it does drive. We are actually waiting to take it through the salvage inspection. So we will be selling it with a rebuilt title. You have to excuse the video, it's a little tight. You can see the condition of the car, it's in excellent shape. A tiny scratch here. All-wheel drive, EX model, has a sunroof. Let's take a look inside. Interior is in excellent shape. It's got a little damage here, like a little rub mark, probably could be buffed out. Smoking's gotta be snapped in place. See if the battery's good. I think it should start right up. Take a look under the hood. Xenon lights. Nice and clean under the hood. We're going to post it on our website soon. If you have any interest, give us a call. Thanks for watching.